How to make your home smell amazing. Most individuals confess that they want their homes to smell fresh and clean for their family and visitors, yet some houses smell better than others. There are odors that arise periodically no matter how clean your house is, especially when you take in the unavoidable pet mess, bursting garbage can, and cooking smells. Here are a number of simple ways to refresh the air in your house on a daily basis without resorting to harsh chemicals. 1. Baking soda can be used to absorb odors. Keeping your area odor-free might sometimes mean preventing aromas that don't smell so great from taking over. Scatter a few bowls of baking soda about the home and replace them once a week. Baking soda absorbs scents rather than disguising them, and it's easy and inexpensive. 2. Make a DIY room spray. Botanicals like eucalyptus, lavender, and lemon myrtle can be used to produce a DIY concentration to use as a room spray. Steep the herbs in boiling water, then strain the mixture into a spray bottle to deodorize wherever you need it the most. 3. Simmer used lemons. Don't throw away those used lemon rinds. Fill a stock pot halfway with water, then add the lemons and let them simmer on low for a few hours. 4. Roast coffee beans. Simply put a few coffee beans in the oven at 400 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes, then leave the oven door open for an invigorating coffee shop aroma. 5. Create a stovetop potpourri. One of the best ways to make your house smell pleasant is to simmer warm, fragrant herbs on the stovetop burner. Simmer apple slices, orange peels, cinnamon sticks, and cloves in a saucepan over low heat. Add anise, nutmeg, rosemary, or vanilla beans if desired. 6. Warm vanilla extract. In a baking dish, add a few drops of vanilla extract and bake for half an hour. The vanilla gives forth a light aroma that reminds you of freshly baked delicacies. 7. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal, which can absorb most common kitchen smells, is one of the most effective and cheap odor busters. Hang a pound of activated charcoal in a porous bag beside an open window for a quick remedy. Activated charcoal can also be placed in a few bowls about your kitchen near likely odor sources such as your garbage disposal or trash. 8. White vinegar. You probably already know how to clean with vinegar, but you can also use it to deodorize. To help reduce the odor, boil a cup of white vinegar on the stove. You may also put a glass of vinegar on the counter overnight to have a fresher room when you wake up. Drop us a comment below and let us know which tip was your favorite. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.